Manage Google Apps Script or Google Drive directly from your terminal with maximum speed. Introducing ggsrun, the legendary high-performance CLI built in Go. Now, let's see how easy it is to get instant support right when you need it. Up next, the help command demo. Getting started with ggsrun is simple. With a rich list of intuitive subcommands and flags, you can interactively explore its full range of features directly from your command line. Type help and unleash the command line interface for Google Drive. Now, let's see the technology in action. Up next, we'll demonstrate how the platform handles massively parallel downloads with seamless, automatic conversion. Slow downloads from Google Drive? Not anymore. ggsrun features a highly optimized download engine utilizing parallel Go worker pools to maximize your network bandwidth. Watch as multiple file transfers complete simultaneously. It handles local file conflicts gracefully, directly inside your terminal shell. Best of all, it automatically converts Google Sheets, Docs, and Slides into standard files like Excel, Markdown, and PDF on the fly. Speed up your workspace exports today. Let's take it a step further. Up next, we'll dive into recursive folder syncing and uploads to show you how effortlessly you can manage complex, nested structures. Forget the pain of manually reconstructing folders on Google Drive. ggsrun recursively walks your local directories, previews the structure with a clean ASCII tree, and uploads everything in parallel using resumable upload wrappers. Let's see this in action. Next up, we'll walk you through Demo 3, Temporary Gas Project Execution. Need to execute local scripts in the cloud? With ggsrun exe1, you can temporarily sync your local scripts to your AppScript project, execute them via the execution API, and instantly restore the remote codebase to its original state using an in-memory backup. Safe, stateful execution with zero cleanup footprint. Up next, let's dive into Demo 4 and see the interactive TUI Filer in action. To boost productivity, ggsrun features a retro-themed dual-pane file manager. The top pane displays local files, while the bottom pane shows Google Drive search results in real time. We can navigate the local pane and preview scripts like sample.js directly in a pop-up code viewer. Switching focus to Google Drive, we browse remote folders and locate AppScript files easily. Selecting the remote sample script, we press E to browse its code structure. With another press of the E key, we trigger its execution in the cloud via the ex1 method. Once complete, we can retrieve both the console logs and logger logs from cloud logging directly in our terminal interface, displaying the execution result of main. Local scripts can also be executed in the cloud instantly. Running the local sample.js script uploads it temporarily, executes it, and returns the spreadsheet ID and live URL in seconds. Transferring directories is exceptionally fast. Select the local folder and press F1. A multi-worker pool uploads files in parallel, complete with progress bars, and syncs the folder structure. Downloading remote assets is just as simple. Copying the sample script project back to our local disk downloads it as a standard directory, letting you inspect the code immediately. When finished, press Escape to exit the dual-pane filer safely. It's a lightning-fast, mouse-free manager for local and remote files. Now, let's step into the future of intelligent workflows. Up next, Demo 5. Next-Gen AI integration. Moreover, ggsrun seamlessly integrates with your modern AI workflows as a Model Context Protocol, or MCP Server. This allows next-generation AI agents like Gemini, Claude, or ChatGPT to autonomously run scripts, read project configurations, and manipulate cloud documents directly on your behalf. By exposing terminal commands as structured API tools, the AI agent can execute deployments and retrieve reports safely. It bridges the gap between your local developer command line and autonomous intelligence systems. A single Go binary with fast setup. Take your Google Workspace development to the next level. Start ggsrun on GitHub and join us today.